Hello everyone, welcome to the first Frostborn video in a really long time. And a new Frostborn update has come out. It's actually quite small, so I'm going to keep this video short. But you clicked on the video for this, so let's get started. First, they added a new bench, a repair table, which allows you to restore damaged weapons and armor. And it will take 24 hours in total to repair any weapon or any piece of armor. If that's a green weapon, a blue weapon, a purple weapon, or any type of armor, it will all take 24 hours. So if you want to repair a full set of armor, it will take 4 real-life days. One of the things that I do want to note is, will the likelihood to find weapons change? Because now that we can keep our weapons and repair them, will it change? Haven't really quite noticed that when playing this update, but we'll see. Only time will tell. And I wonder if LDOE is going to get something like this. Would be interesting, but Frostborn finally has a repair bench, and I know people have been asking that for LDOE for a really long time, but now it's in Frostborn. Next change is bosses restore their health after losing all their targets. I'm assuming this means bosses in Odin's doors are now at a 20 max. As much as I do think it's a good step in the right direction, 20 doors is still too small. Make it 50 to 100 doors, or better yet, remove the limit entirely. There is still this room must have door requirement, and not too big of a fan of that. They added an anti-rollback system, which should reduce rollbacks. I still got a big rollback, and I tried. The scout bird reveals invisible units in grasses, so units cannot, or people can't hide in grasses, or creatures can't hide in grasses. You will see them with the scout bird. Coins are now on a discount, so if you want to pay Frostborn some money, now's a good time to buy. Although there aren't any items, so probably just get the coins, as item sales may come back. Anyways guys, I hope that helps with this video. Tell me if you want more Frostborn videos. I don't know, it's the first one in a while, and a bunch of people on Discord were telling me to do it, so why not do it? And yes, good microphone coming back soon. Don't bully me in the comments.